Hi, welcome to MarQetFlow. Today I was doing a reading on Clover's earnings report and then I run into this right here. 107% institution ownership on Clover. And I know this is not the first time that had happened in a company. So I went back and I started looking in the ownership of it. And yeah, definitely there were quite a bit of big purchases within the last quarter, and one of them didn't show the total ownership of it, and it was this one right here. And if I add up the numbers for these shares right here, it comes out to this number right here, 97% of market share. Coming here to Investopedia, you can find out that usually when this happens is because two things. Maybe data is not 100% accurate when they report what they're holding. And the other one too is that there is short selling, that it's not being accounted for the ownership of the stock. So this is an example right here. So let's assume that XYZ company has 20 million shares, and then institution A owns all of the $20 million. In short transaction, institution B borrows 5 million of these shares from institution A, then sells them to institution C. If both A and C claim ownership of the shares shorted by B, the institutional ownership company XYZ could be reported a 25 million shares. So that's one way that there could be a mistake on the way that it is presented. But then diving a little bit deeper, Green Oaks did a transaction of common shares B to common shares A. So that was the transaction that they did. And then I found this other document right here as well, January 31st 2021, and it looks like this is about the same shares right here. So now there's this many shares of class A, and they came from a conversion of class B, as you see that. And this represents a 40% of market share. That doesn't match the numbers that I have right here, but pretty close. Anyways, if you have more information about it, please let me know. I mean, there's a few things here. One is it's good that there's a lot of companies, a lot of institutions buying into Clover. That's a positive sign right here. But the ownership of Clover per institution seems to be a little bit off, and partially some of it has to do with this large purchase right here. There was a conversion from class B to class A now, and then there is short sellers on top of that. They're borrowing stocks, and that could be increasing the number of shares around. Anyway, if you have a clear answer on that, just put it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.